Hello everyone, my name is Prasanna and today I'm gonna show you how to draw Sasuke's Mangekyou Sharingan. Let's get started. So before starting our drawing, I made a square box of around 8 cm each. I think that would be very helpful for beginners to learn. So let's talk about the materials I'm using. A zero point 0.5 mechanical pencil for drawing, a white gel pen for coloring the white spot of Sharingan, a black gel pen for inking, an eraser for erasing the unwanted part of a drawing, and some sketch pens and color pencils for coloring. So these are the materials I'm using in this drawing. So no further talking, let's get started. I started to draw an eyebrow in the middle line of a box, slightly move to the right corner of it. Now it's time for making eyelashes. Before drawing, I made a rough figure of eyelashes, then I proceed to make it accurately. Now I draw inner part of eyelashes starting from the inner edge of it. Now I am making a rough figure of an eyeball. After this, I proceed to make it accurately. Now I draw a small circle in the middle of an eyeball, then I made a rough figure of 3 oval circles around the small circle. After that, I proceed to make it accurately. So the sketch is ready. Now correcting the issues left, erasing the unwanted areas before doing coloring. Now I started inking with black gel pen. You will feel handshake and I suggest just stay calm and don't panic. Hold your pen while inking like a feather. Just relax. Now I am filling the area of eyelashes, eyeball and an eyebrow with a black pen. erasing the pencil lines around the figure. Now I started coloring in the eyeball. First I filled with red color and after that I colored with black upon it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. If you have any suggestions or queries, let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay awesome.